Good morning to everyone at today's public hearing of Panel A of the Prosecutor Vetting Commission. My name is Christopher Lehman, and I declare the session to be open. The Prosecutor Vetting Commission is established under Law Number 252 on the external evaluation of judges and prosecutors. Law Number 252 establishes that this commission will undertake an ethical and financial evaluation of prosecutors who are identified in Article 3, Paragraph 1 of that law as subjects of the evaluation. This three-member panel is constituted to conduct the evaluation pursuant to Article 15 of Law Number 252. This hearing is being conducted pursuant to the provisions of Article 16 of that law, as well as this commission's rules of procedure for evaluations under Law Number 252. The subject of today's hearing is Victor Furtuna, Chief Prosecutor of the Prosecutor's Office for Combating Organized Crime and Special Causes, known by the acronym of PCCOCS. Mr. Furtuna, I welcome you to the hearing today. I'm joined by my colleagues on this panel, Virginia Marraro, who is with you in person, and Saskia de Vries, who is also connecting by Zoom to the hearing. The panel is assisted by members of our Secretariat. This hearing is open to the public and members of the media. The hearing will be conducted with interpretation in both English and Romanian, and for that reason, we ask everyone to speak slowly and clearly for the benefit of the interpreters. The proceedings are being recorded, and the recordings of this public hearing will be available online on the Commission's website within 3 days of the hearing. Mr. Furtuna, as you know, you were advised in the notice of hearing that the panel had identified no doubts to discuss in today's hearing. Nevertheless, we thank you for appearing today. It is possible that during the hearing, one or more members of the panel will ask questions to you. If they do, please answer them truthfully and completely. We'll also provide you with an opportunity to make a statement to the panel at the close of the hearing. Let me start by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for this subject. The Commission initiated its evaluation process on the 24th of May, 2024 by notifying Mr. Furtuna by email and asking him to complete and return the ethics questionnaire and a financial declaration form. This is required by Law 252. The subject returned the completed questionnaire and declarations on the 10th of June, 2024. As part of the evaluation of a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtained information from many other sources, such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspectorate of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses the information it obtains from these sources for relevance and reliability. The Commission also sent Mr. Furtuna 4 rounds of questions. Those were on the 12th of November, 2024, the 2nd of January, 2025, the 3rd of June of 2025, and the 24th of June, 2025, to which you responded in a timely fashion. On the 14th of July, 2025, the panel advised the subject that the panel had identified no doubts regarding the subject's compliance with the relevant ethical and financial criteria that needed to be discussed in a hearing. Nevertheless, we invited the subject to attend today's hearing. Mr. Furtuna, I want to thank you again for appearing today. Let me begin with 2 short questions to you, and of course, I ask you to respond in a complete and truthful manner. First, I just want to clarify if you wish to make any additions or corrections to any of the information or answers that you provided up until now to the Commission.
Thank you very much. My answer is I have nothing to add to the information that I provided so far to the Commission.
Thank you. And then second question, I would just like to confirm that the answers to the ethics questionnaire and the declarations that you provided to us back on the 10th of June 2024 remain accurate as of today? In other words, is there anything that you would need to update with regards to those materials that were submitted with the initial declaration and ethics questionnaire?
I have nothing to add in this regard. I support what I've stated in the questionnaire and the declarations that I filed on the 10th of June. They continue to be topical and true to this day.
Thank you. Mr. Furtuna, at this moment, the floor is yours, and I provide you with an opportunity to make any kind of closing statement you'd like for the panel.
Esteemed panel, I would like to express my gratitude not only to the panel but to the Secretariat as well, because I would like to inform you that I used my right to get the file with the materials gathered about me, and I found out that it is a huge amount of information that the Commission had to gather and analyze about me. So it was a reproduction, step by step, from years of life of a person. I have to be honest, but there may have been some things and pieces that I missed or forgot about my parents or some other details, but the work they had to do was huge, so I would like to thank the Commission members for doing that. Also, I would like to thank and wish the best of luck to the Commission members in their further activity. This is a very important exercise that has a noble purpose, and first and foremost it is to build the trust of the population, of the society towards the position of a prosecutor. And the position of a prosecutor, and for the people who pass this exercise, they have to keep doing their prosecutorial job further on. So best of luck to you in your work ahead, and once more, thank you for the huge job that you've done.
Thank you, Mr. Furtuna, and we thank you for your participation both in the evaluation process and at this hearing. The panel will now deliberate on this matter, and the hearing is closed. Thank you.